This is Cgtn, China Global Television Network.
Let's return to the continent now. With Uganda, a team of engineers has designed a touchless hand washing machine to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. The country continues to record a spike in coronavirus cases and has reported over 3,500 infections and 41 deaths. To help curb the transmission of the virus, the contactless hand washing machines are now being installed in public places like markets and hospitals. Cgtn's Hilary Ayesiga has more.
As the campaign against the COVID-19 pandemic continues across Uganda, these scientists are promoting a new way of safely washing hands at Kasubi Market in the capital, Kampala.
No touch, wash properly without bothering the time or what, these things of singing, getting the soap, required amount of soap, required amount of water in a smart way, responsive, that it can communicate with you in the sense that you do not know how to wash hands properly.
The solar-powered machine has been fitted with the sensors that dispense water and soap when a user places his hands under the tap. During the process, the machine records details of how many people have washed their hands. Promoters of this technology say it is timely and effective in the fight against the pandemic. According to the data collected every day, about 3,000 people wash their hands using this improved technology. And the public is upbeat about the new technology.
When transacting with money, you can easily contract coronavirus. But with this machine, when you touch the money, you wash your hands.
Kampala metropolitan area has recorded an over 50% spike in cases in the last 1 month. The health ministry says people have stopped taking safety measures like washing hands and sanitizing seriously.
In the markets, people are not wearing masks. There are no hand washing facilities, meaning Ugandans forgot where we came from. And unless we return to our initial determination and commitment to prevent COVID, the numbers will continue to increase.
This team of engineers has so far installed 30 machines around the capital, Kampala, but they are not enough.
If the government could do something regarding these machines and put especially in markets, because markets is where we have so many people, I will tell you this COVID issue will be no more.
The project is funded by the government of Uganda, Makerere University, and 2 companies from the United States of America at a cost of $30,000. The engineers say that if they get more funding, they will be able to roll out the service to other parts of the country and help more people avoid getting COVID-19. Hilary Ayesiga, Cgtn, Kampala, Uganda.
This is Cgtn, China Global Television Network.